Hey there, YouTubers. Got a box of 2010 Crown Royale basketball. Let me crack this one and see what I get. I think just 4 packs. 7 packs per. 7 cards per. Trevor Ariza, Dirk Nowitzki, John Stockton, Peja Stojakovic, Serge Ibaka autograph, numbered 521, Vince Carter base, and Zach Randolph. Charlie Villanueva, Gallinaro, Kevin Martin, Dwight Howard royalty. It's kind of cool. Griffin, Hassim Thabit, James Harden, Ron Artest, and Dante Jones. Pack number 3. Andrew Bogut, David Lee, just a royalty base, and a Taj Gibson auto, gold, numbered 203 of 599, Jason Richardson base, and a Ben Gordon base. And last pack. Kevin Garnett, Mo Williams, Eric Gordon, another Garnett, royalty base, oh wow, cool, Larry Bird, jersey with a green stripe, and the Ginobili base. Here's the Bird hit again, numbered 5 out of 10. Thanks for checking it out.